Hello, welcome. Today we'll be looking at how to build this super cute penguin out of paper using basic materials. We'll need some scissors, a ruler, some glue, and there's a link in the description with the print file. We can use everyday copy paper to build the small penguin, or heavier paper for the larger penguin. It's a good idea to do a few test prints of one page before printing the entire package. Let's cut out the pieces in sequence, starting with piece number 1. These are labeled in pink. Arrange the pieces in order along the top of your work surface as you cut out each one. This will be helpful later as each subsequent number is glued to the previous, making it easier to connect together. Try to cut out along the outside of the printed graphic. Next, we will pre-shape the pieces. There are two fold types: a mountain fold with the edge towards you, indicated by a dash line, and a valley fold with the edge away from you, indicated by a dash dot line. We will fold each piece according to the markings, placing it back in its original place. We use a ruler and gently press against the top to obtain a nice clean crease. We then fold all the way around to obtain a nice straight edge. We can use this method for all the folds and across all the pieces. There's no need to worry about folding to a particular shape or angle. We simply follow the line types and try to get the edge as close as possible to the center of the printed line. We can bend them further into shape when we start to assemble them. This ensures the edge length is as accurate as possible, and joining the pieces will go smoothly. Almost there. We now assemble and glue the pieces in order of the pink piece numbers. We match the edge number to the same number found on the other adjoining edge. These are labeled in gray. If the pieces are still arranged in order on your workspace, they will be beside each other, making it easy to find. You can reference the digital file otherwise and match up the edge number. I like to use fast drying glue, but you can use any type of glue available. Each edge should be fully dry before moving on to gluing the next edge. All the edges to be glued are the same length, making it easy to spot where to glue and where to match the edges. It is best to use the dry fitting principle before gluing, where you try on the piece before applying glue and actually sticking it on. Align the pieces in place without glue, seeing how they fit, and further fold along the crease lines as needed to match up the corresponding edges, starting with the middle of the piece. At the end, we can use a pencil to color in any edges that were damaged or cut misaligned. Similarly, we can use some whiteout to color in edges and correct any errors in the process. If you're following the piece number construction sequence order, you will find that first is building the face, then the head, then the upper body, the flippers, the lower body, and lastly, the feet. I like to glue one edge at a time. The video shows the entire build sequence fast forwarded at 10 times the speed. It takes some time for all of us and a bit of patience. The model geometry is balanced, so it will stand on one foot, but it is still nice to add a weight into the standing foot before gluing it on for the extra stability. A magnet would be especially nice for this, so you can stick it onto things. If there's anyone who you think would enjoy watching this video and building this model, or just using some tips on paper crafting, please feel free to forward the video. I'm curious, what other models would you like to see build videos for? Feel free to write it down in the comments below, and I'll take that into consideration for future videos. Hope this is helpful. Please let me know which other models you'd like me to cover in future videos, and please subscribe to see more guides like this. Please feel free if you have any suggestions. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy building and wish you all the best on your papercraft adventure. Bye.